Lead nurturing, questions answered. You have probably heard a lot about lead nurturing and its related techniques. Marketing discussions are abuzz with lead nurturing processes, best practices, and its advantages. But the components of lead nurturing are as varied as the concept itself. This video introduces you to the basic concepts of lead nurturing and provides insight into lead nurturing process so that you can create a unique lead nurturing process that suits your company the best. So what is lead nurturing? Lead nurturing is the process of educating your leads, gradually nudging them toward your company as they are about to make a purchase decision, and finally, pass on that lead to your sales team for conversion. So does your company need lead nurturing? The answer is yes. Every year your company spends a sizable amount on demand generation efforts. These include email campaigns, promotions, trade shows, and so on. But have you noticed what happens to the leads that flow into your database as a result of these activities? In most companies, these leads are passed on to sales, 80% of which are often dropped by sales for being unqualified. In reality, the dropped leads are just not ready to buy yet, but most of them do eventually make a purchase. Lead nurturing will help your company convert a majority of those 80% leads into sales. So how does lead nurturing help? B2B buyers are gathering information about sellers and the options available to them through various means such as web searches, peer review, social media, internet research, etc. However, these buyers don't wish to be contacted by the seller until they are in the last few stages of the sales cycle. In such scenario, how do you make your presence felt without being obtrusive? This is where lead nurturing helps. Lead nurturing allows you to become an ally of the prospect by hand-holding them through the learning and decision-making steps that they go through before making a purchase. In a B2B environment where the stakes are high behind every purchase decision, becoming an ally or a trusted partner increases your chances of closing the deal. So is there any one-size-fits-all lead nurturing plan? No, there is not. While lead nurturing best practice have been established, new lead nurturing techniques are created every day. As the term denotes, lead nurturing is all about the leads, the prospects. So the process of nurturing leads is as unique as the leads themselves. What works for one set of leads may not work for the other. You have to study your business, its prospects, operating environment, and then pick the nurturing process that will work best for your company. In fact, some companies have more than one lead nurturing program in place depending upon its target audience. So what are the main components of a lead nurturing process? Lead nurturing requires a seamless integration between the marketing and sales processes of an organization. Every demand generation campaign, all of the marketing and sales collateral, every interaction about the marketing team has with the prospects must be in conjunction with the sales team's objectives. Marketing must groom the leads even if they are not ready to buy, educate them about the company's offerings, and just when the leads are about to make a purchase decision, transfer them to sales for further follow-up. However, this transition should be smooth and glitch-free so that the prospects don't have the slightest clue that they were interacting with two separate departments in the company. Any jerk as a cause of misalignment between marketing and sales can cause the company to fall off the prospect's list of preferred vendors. Not all leads develop equal interest in your offering. That is why lead scoring becomes important. Lead scoring is a key element of the lead nurturing process which allows you to categorize your leads according to their engagement levels. Most lead scoring models have multiple dimensions to them. For example, they should be able to gauge prospects' interest levels based on various elements such as prospect attributes, behavior, prospect company attributes, etc. The lead scoring model would change depending on numerous factors such as industry, business environment, prospect segments, company size, etc., thus demanding custom lead scoring models. To develop a powerful lead scoring model, marketing and sales have to work in tandem and define who will be the ideal prospect for the company. Marketing automation bridges the gap between your marketing and sales processes, thus minimizing chances of lead leakage. It also helps you connect the lead scoring process with your company's lead nurturing programs, thus allowing you to design and implement elaborate lead nurturing campaigns that are customized to the preferences of your target segments. Marketing automation can help your company map its contents to an appropriate prospect profiles, thus enabling you to provide the prospect with relevant content, which is the base of any lead nurturing campaign. Buyers today look to educate themselves before making a purchase decision. They will welcome any communication from you, which adds value to their quest for information. At the same time, today's B2B buyers are wary of blatant marketing messages and overzealous salespersons. So the aim is to ensure that your lead nurturing material actually informative and value-adding and not just poorly concealed marketing promotions. The success of a leading nurturing campaign depends on its ability to hold the audience's attention. Touch upon areas that are of concern to them and personalize your communication with the audience. Personalization has to be at various levels to be effective. These include industry-level personalization, demographics-based personalization, prospect behavior-based personalization, and personalization based on prospect attributes or company attributes. Lead nurturing campaigns have to be dynamic in order to be effective. That means as your prospect moves along the sales cycle, the lead nurturing program should also change accordingly. For example, if a prospect's behavior indicates that they are very close to making the purchase, then such prospects should be smoothly handed over to sales and need not go through the entire lead nurturing process. Similarly, some prospects may have to be transferred from one lead nurturing program to another depending on their behavior. Automating the lead nurturing process will allow you to set triggers and events based on which such transactions can take place automatically.